Hello, I am Matthew Powell with the American Military University. Today I'm presenting an analysis of the treatment of animals within the United States as it pertains to federal laws and their corresponding environmental worldview. This is a part of the ESVP 508 Environmental Ethics Spring Session 2021 curriculum. As previously stated, I chose the topic of U.S. federal laws pertaining to the treatment of animals. I chose this topic for two reasons. Number one, I think it's important to protect animals, particularly endangered ones, and I think the implementation of these laws do make a difference in animal abuse cases. But my second reason is to call attention to the hypocrisy found in the exclusions of many of these laws, which we will discuss. The first law I chose is the Animal Welfare Act, founded in 1966 and is enforced by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. The second law is the Humane Slaughter Act, founded in 1958 and is enforced by, again, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Food Safety and Inspection Services. The third law is the Endangered Species Act, founded in 1973, enforced by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. And the fourth law is the Preventing Animal Cruelty and Torture Act, founded in 2019 and enforced by the FBI. The reason I chose deep ecology, the land ethic, and ecofeminism worldviews for most of these is that these laws place an inherent value on animals, placing people at the same level of these animals. Even in the Humane Slaughter Act, the law acknowledges that while certain animals are being used as tools to be consumed, the animal has a right to a level of care and dignity. One important point to mention here is that several of these laws, including the Animal Welfare Act and the Humane Slaughter Act, specifically leave out birds, mice, rats, and reptiles, which are used in about 90% of all animal testing, and should leave one questioning whether or not these laws are merely for political brownie points or if they are truly meant to protect all species. Additionally, these laws fall under ecofeminism because they were an answer to a dominator culture that treated animals however they deemed necessary. In the case of the Endangered Species Act, I made a point of placing it under the value-duty doctrine worldview, as there is an obvious special value placed on endangered species, and this law places a societal obligation on protecting them. The following slides are breakdowns of each of these laws. And in conclusion, the United States has made great strides in the realm of animal protection, and has even kept these laws relevant in attacking new forms of animal cruelty found online, in the case of the Preventing Animal Cruelty and Torture Act. However, there are still many changes that need to be made, and as a researcher and environmental management scholar, I hope to see an all-inclusive animal protection law in the future. Thank you.